bought this from Brunson, from the creator. Is a founder of ClickFunnels, and I also ordered this DotCom secrets. Okay, basically this is a black box, bundle package. So I just only DotCom secrets. Got another second book. So now let's see what's the black box means over here and what does it consist inside the black box. Okay, let's open up, see. Okay, this is shipped from America, so usually it takes about 2 weeks to arrive. Payment slips. Okay. Okay, this is what is inside the black box. Okay. It looks really nice. Okay, let's open it this way. Okay, let's see what's inside the black box. Okay, first is the sticker. Find the hacker sticker. Okay. Oops. There is a quick start. Quiz. Okay, the book inside. Beside the DotCom secrets, I also have expert secrets. Expert secrets with all the books inside. And then ClickFunnels secrets. Actionatic secrets. Fill your funnel secrets. Secret sketches. And then last but not least, DotCom secrets. By Brunson. Okay, so this is everything from the black box. So 2 books, expert. Okay, experts and DotCom, stickers, and all those quick guide, all these secrets are all inside. Click in the black box. So does it work? It costs about USD 37. Yeah, the estimate price is 37 USD with the shipping fees. So that's it.